This machine was designed for the vacuuming of wet or dry dust and debris on carpeted or hard floor surfaces. To ensure your safety and longevity of your machine, we recommend the following safety and maintenance checks before each use. For wet vacuuming, always make sure to remove any attached sealed paper or SMS dust bags and the filter liner before use. These are intended for the use of dry vacuuming only. Make sure to empty the contents of the tank when full. If using a disposable dust bag, replace when full. Always fully extend the power cord before connecting to power. Check all power cords for cuts, abrasions and exposed wiring to ensure safe use. Check the floor tool, wand, bent handpiece and hose for any obstructions. Loosely wrap up the power cord from the machine end and store over the hook on the side of the machine. We recommend the following weekly safety and maintenance tasks. Clean the filter liner by brushing off the excess dust buildup with a dusting brush. The filter liner can be hand washed. However, any dust left to dry after washing may clog the pores of the liner if not cleaned thoroughly. Also, ensure it is completely dry before use. Use running water to rinse off any debris attached to the foam filter cover. If you are using a HEPA-rated filter, clean this by removing the filter unit, then tapping gently to release fine dust before replacing. Alternatively, you could use your dusting brush attachment to clean the filter. For any repair or servicing requirements, visit our website to locate your nearest authorised service and warranty agent.